Welcome to greytHR. In this video, we'll show you how to automate job approvals on greytHR Recruit. Let's dive in. From your greytHR admin portal, go to Recruit. Settings, Job Setup, Job Approval. Click Add New, then select Add Condition. You can set multiple conditions as needed. From the drop-down menu, select the employee category for the first condition and define the corresponding value for the second condition. Note that only the categories enabled on the employee categories page will be available for selection. Assign a reviewer by clicking plus Add Reviewer, then set the review order. You can add multiple reviewers if required. Click Add to confirm the setup. By default, all reviewers and hiring team members receive automated notifications. If specific individuals need to be notified, use the search box to add them manually. Once conditions and reviewers are set up, you can see how they reflect on the jobs page. During job creation, in step 2, you can view the configured approvals by toggling this button. Selecting either of the available actions will notify the designated approvers and initiate the approval process. Next up, we'll cover how to post jobs on job boards and manage an agency. Stay tuned. For more such useful tutorials, don't forget to check out our greytHR YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more insights and happy recruiting.